This is Shanique Techniques. So today I'm doing a collaboration with SHEIN. So I want to thank SHEIN for sending me these items. Now I'm going to be showing you beauty and electronics, but before we get started, this is their SHEIN Curve Week. It starts from June 12th all the way to June 19th, and you can get items up to 90% off. Now let's go ahead with this first item. This is called the Long Curly Ponytail Synthetic Hair Extensions. You can get this for $9.30. It comes in multiple colors, and I did get it in a piano color. And it's also 24-inch. It has minimum shedding, and I love the color in this wig. Now, and it's also soft. Now, and the inside it has a comb at the top, a comb in the bottom. You put it around your ponytail and just pull the string. All right, so let's go on with the next item. This is their 10-piece mini spun brushes. Now, you can get this for $1.80, and it comes in multiple colors. And it has different styles, and I just wanted to show you guys. Here we go. Here's the first style. Basically, for your concealer, I like that. You can pat and also get in those little creases. So, with that said, let's go ahead with the next two items. All right, sweetie, so here's the next two items. This is the 10-inch Feel Light with Ring Tripod Holder. You can get this for $12.58. Now, it's self-explanatory. It was easy to put together. It has extenders. And also, you can put your phone here. And you can do beauty videos, so you can have that lighting, because you have to have lighting when you're doing YouTube. So I thought this was very beneficial, and it was easy to actually put together. So here's the next item. This is a 3-inch dual lens car DVR, include micro SD card, G sensor, 1080 front and rear camera. You can get this for $36.99. Now I'm going to let my husband, there's so many cords and so many things he had to put together, so I'm going to let him explain what you can actually do with this.
Well, one of the many joys of being with Neeks is you become the in-house IT department. So I handle all technology. So this is a dash cam, right? So if your vehicle doesn't come with a built-in dash cam, this is an affordable way to get what she's holding there is a forward-facing camera, so a dash cam. Really helpful if you were ever involved in an accident, or let's say if you were to see something happen in front of you. It comes with a 32 gig micro SD memory card, so it'll record, when you have it playing. It has a little suction cup that you can attach to the dash. It also comes with a rear camera as well, so you can actually mount that in the back. Now, Neek's ride actually comes with a rear camera, so she wouldn't need that. But it is handy to have that as well. And then it does come with, that's all the cords that it comes with. And it also comes with a plug-in that you can plug into the car. So really handy to have an affordable dash cam. And if you've ever been involved in an accident yourself, having a dash cam is one of the first things that an insurance adjuster will ask is, hey, do you have any footage of the accident? Well, if you have one of these guys, they would have you covered for any type of accident.
All right, you guys, he summed it up. On to the next two items. All right, sweetie, so here's the next two items. This is their 13-piece new makeup brush with 1-piece black velvet bag. Now, you can get this for $3.50, and it comes in multiple colors, the handles of the brushes. Now, I did get it in black. You have your blending brushes, your brushes for blush, eyeliner, and I just look at that, and so many. So if for your first time trying makeup, then you can just get this set only for $3.50. Now the next item is a electric hair trimmer. Now this is a nose trimmer, and this is always good to have. Always good to have. Now it takes one double A battery. And it's just self-explanatory. Always need one of these. So on to the next items. All right, sweetie, so here's the next item. This is Lenovo Noise Concealer High Ear Low HIFI stereo gaming wireless earbuds. That's a long name. You can get this for $7.98. I did get it in dark gray and also comes in white. Now my husband, I got this for him because he's always losing his earbuds. And it has a USB. I'm going to go ahead and open it. And you could just pull these out. Look at that. He's going to love these. You're going to love these, aren't you?
Yes, I find that I use earbuds most often either when I'm working out, because your boy's trying to work out a little bit these days, or if I'm cooking, because I do the majority of cooking in the house. and you know, when you're cooking, you don't want to have a wired headset in. You want to be hands-free so you can move around the kitchen. And she is right. I've lost a couple of these. So these are affordable enough that, you know, if something were to happen, hey, you're not going to be as upset. This isn't, you know, hundreds of dollars of earbuds. And they do seem to have good volume. They seem to be pretty sturdy. And also the case is magnetic. So when you get the earbud near it, it'll actually pull the earbud into the charger.
All right, you guys. So this sums this up. And I hope you guys enjoyed. On to the recap. All right, sweetie, so back with a quick recap. So the first thing I want to do is give one of my subscribers a shout out right here. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate your support. And SHEIN, once again, thank you so very much for sending me these items. Now, I would leave all the link, prices, and sizes down in the description box, including my coupon code and the link to SHEIN's website. And you guys, I do have a Patreon channel. I will leave that link down in the description box as well. All right, you guys, hit that notification bell, hit the subscribe button, share my video, and I'll see you guys again. Bye.